Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another page of the Haley Diaries. As you can tell by the title of this video, today's video is going to be just like a speed through full house cleaning video. I just really needed to get this done. It had been about 2 days since we had last done the chores or deep cleaned the house and just straightened everything up. So I figured since it was so messy, I would just go ahead and film it today. So I'm starting here in the living room, and the first thing I like to do is just refresh the couch because we do have dogs, and so there's always hair on there. The blankets that I have thrown over the couch are always messed up, and the pillows and stuff, so I'm just gonna go through and kind of shake them, give them a little vacuum, and straighten them out, and then put the pillows back on there nicely. Yeah. So if you are new here, I do have braces, so that is why I sound a little bit funny. I kind of have a lisp. So yeah, I'm just trying to talk with my braces in. They're pretty new to me. I've only had them for about 8 weeks, so I'm still adjusting. But I think I'm gonna sound like this probably for the entire 2 years that I have them. So honestly, it's probably going to be this way for a while. But if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in and for watching today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. As you can see here, we had to take a little break. Kingsley gets pretty needy when I am cleaning, and so I often have to pause and play with him or feed him or just hold him. So yeah, that's what I did. I got out his little sandbox, and now he's playing with that, and I am just making the couch. So every time I make the couch or I move the pillows or blankets around at all, Kingsley always gets up there and starts jumping on the couch, and he'll throw all the pillows on the floor like he's doing right now. So it's almost like every time I clean, I have to redo everything over and over again before it's officially done. But that is just the life of having a toddler, I guess. So now I'm just moving on to cleaning up the toys. These don't really have a set home right now. Some of them go in the entertainment center, and some of them are just kind of hanging out in the dining room on the floor against the wall. As soon as Christmas is over and I can see what new toys they have, I'm going to set up a new toy station. But for right now, they're just kind of in here floating around. So it kind of makes it harder to clean. It makes it more messy, but it's only temporary. So right now I'm just straightening them up as best as I can, so that way I can vacuum and get the floors cleared up. So we've been keeping our chairs on top of the dining room table because our toddler, he will climb them and get onto the table while no one's watching, and he'll just stand up there and play around with my stuff and with anything that's on there, and we're just afraid he'll fall if no one's paying attention. So we put the chairs on top of the table when we're not using them for the most part, but since I'm cleaning up, I'm just gonna put them where they go so it looks nicer, and so it's helping me to kind of feel accomplished. So I'm just doing a quick clean. I'm not gonna move everything. I'm just gonna kind of run the vacuum along the edges, behind the toys and along the stairs, and kind of behind the shelf of the kitchen and stuff really quickly. I'm not gonna do a hardcore like deep floor clean. And then this is the overview of the living room and dining area after it is all clean. Yeah, I didn't like go super deep and like wipe down all the shelves or anything, but I do that pretty regularly, and today I'm just trying to get caught up on everything. Now here's my bedroom. It is pretty messy. The nightstands have stuff all over them. The bed needs to be made. I do have laundry piled up too. It's actually folded. It just needs to be put away. I'm not going to show that or probably get to it today, but I'm just going to do, you know, the quick clean. As you can see, Kingsley's already fed up with my cleaning. He absolutely hates it when I like clean because I'm not paying attention to him. So normally he's just crying the whole time I'm cleaning, and I'm constantly having to take breaks. So this video took the entire day to film, like the whole day. But yeah, it was crazy. So I am actually going to fold up my throw blankets right here, and then I'm cleaning off like the trash and stuff from my nightstands and just kind of straightening them up. And then I'm going to strip the bed so I can put it to wash. And I actually got a new bed set for Christmas from my Nana. So I'm going to wash that first and put it on the bed. But the first thing I'm going to do is strip it. I put it all into a hamper so I can easily put the whole thing in the wash later. And then I'm going to also go downstairs and wash the new bedding so that I can put it directly on the bed. And while it was in the washer, I actually did the kitchen cleaning and the dishes and stuff, but I decided to just show you the rest of the bedroom before I show you that. So this is it coming out of the washer. I just put the waterproof cover on and the sheet, and I'm just going to go ahead and continue making the whole bed with the new bed set. So as you can tell, I was pretty indecisive about how I wanted to kind of lay out the bed and just make it look. I was kind of playing around with it for a little bit right here until I kind of got it the way that I wanted it to look. And this is the final look. I love the new set. Thanks so much, Nana, for that. It looks fabulous. She also got me the throw blankets and the pillows. She got me everything, the whole thing. So now moving on to the bathroom. This is the master bathroom that is in my bedroom. Yeah, I'm just starting with the trash and vacuuming, and then I'm going to wipe down the counters and the toilet. this is the overview of the bathroom. It's nice and straightened up. Love it. It feels so much better in here. Okay guys, I saved the worst for last. Yes, this is real. You guys are probably so shocked or disgusted, but my kitchen gets like this in one day. I'm not even kidding you. There's just always things piled up on the counters. I don't know why or how it happens. Like, everyone just sets all their stuff down right there, and their dishes, their cups, their trash, everything they have from the day goes right there. I don't even know why. So every single day I'm having to deep clean this kitchen basically. So yeah, have fun watching it. It is a really small kitchen. This is basically the only counter space we have, so that's probably why it gets built up. But there's things on here that aren't gonna move. There's that whole pile up there on top and the back that you can see. That is all Christmas stuff. So it's gonna stay there until it's ready to be wrapped. And that big metal bowl is the dog's water bowl that we have to keep up on the counter because our toddler, once again, will knock it over or go swimming in it. So that'll stay up there too. And then we've got some medicines and my braces bag and stuff like that. So all that stuff is gonna stay there for right now. But I'm just gonna get the dishes done, and obviously, as you can tell, I cleared up everything else, so there's counter space, and that's kind of all that matters to me for now. I seriously love having a dish rack because I can just start doing the dishes and just rubbing everything down, wiping it down and throwing it in the rack, throwing it in the dishwasher. I've got so much space for everything to go, so I can feel like I can wipe through the dishes really fast and get them done. So it's kind of nice. I do recommend a dish rack if you don't have one. Okay, and then call me lazy, but I am just wiping the counter and stove off with a soapy sponge. I'm not using anything special. I've been doing this for a while now, and it just seems easier. I don't know. It's less stressful. I don't have to worry about spraying something, and then, I don't know. This works. I'm already using a soapy sponge, so it's just like so much faster. Okay, now I've got this little coffee table slash, I don't know, snack bar that I'm just going to do a quick wipe down with a Clorox wipe, and yeah, that's basically it. There's not much else to clean with this. I do like to go and reorganize it sometimes. I stock the K-cups, as you can see, and then a lot of times I go through and I stack the snacks like nicer in their baskets, but they just get messed up anyway, so it's not a big deal. Yeah, so that's kind of it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Seriously, if you watched it to the end and you're still watching right now, thank you so much. You are amazing. I cannot wait for the next one. Goodbye and have a lovely day.